Okay.
Hello, YouTube. Finally, my face will be revealed.
Okay. I'm coming today. I bought this box of Score 2012. So we're gonna open this and see what I get. Hopefully I get an autograph, though they're like, when I heard 5,000 boxes. Here we go. Oh, by the way, yep, I'm a 49er fan. Joe Montana, my favorite player of all time. Going to the Super Bowl. Awesome. Anyways, these are 10 packs per box, 7 cards per pack. Here we got Matthew Stafford, Roman Harper, Andre Roberts, Tamba Hali. I got this in the last box, I believe. Numbers game, Calvin Johnson. Rookie, Fletcher Cox. Vinny Curry is the glossy. That's a rookie card. That's that. Matt Forte. Marco Murray. David Nelson. Grant Holmes. Oh, that's pretty cool. 1989 rookie reprint. Deion Sanders. Ryan Lindley. And a glossy of Deion Washington. Yeah. Another mixed pack. Matthias Kiwanuka, Daniel Thomas, Josh Kriegs, Cameron Wrigley, Robert Turbin, Hot Rippers, Alfred Morris. Ooh, that's a good one. Alfred Morris, rookie card, and a glossy of Ben Roethlisberger. Next pack, Brandon Lloyd, Reggie Wayne, Elvis Duberville, Marshawn Lynch, In the Zone, Chrissy Harden, Kellen Moore, rookie card, and Visanta Shianko, glossy. Michael Vick, Jacoby Ford, Matt Hasselbeck, Antoine Barnes, a gold zone. Well, those aren't numbered either. Jason McCourty, Kevin Zeitler, rookie, and Ronnie Barber, rookie. Can't believe that guy still plays. He's pretty old. Next pack over. Mike Wallace, Brooks Grossman, Jake Locker, Aaron Foster, a scorecard, Andre Roberts, Levante David, and Jonathan Martin, rookie glossy. Next pack. Aaron Rodgers, Brandon Carr, Peyton Manning is a Bronco. I wonder if that's a short print because I've never seen him yet. Who knows? Peyton Manning is a Bronco. Pretty cool. Alex Smith. I wish he was still playing for us. Maybe he'll get a couple of snaps in the Super Bowl. That'd be nice. Jason Hill. Donta Hightower. And Aaron Hernandez, glossy. Next pack over. Dan Watson, Percy Harvey, Asante Samuel, Steven Jackson, complete players, Matt Forte, Richard Matthews, and an Andy Dalton glossy. Nothing really too good. Anyways, Ryan Grant, Ray Rice, CJ Spiller, Nate Washington, numbers game, Rob Gronkowski. There's Gronk for you. 17 receiving touchdowns. Mohamed Sanu and Joe Adams with glossy. Need to look over these and see if I got any SP rookie cards. Those are numbered to 500 if I can find one, which probably won't. Okay, Kevin Smith, Pierre Thomas, Cameron Wake, Brandon Dixon, Kenny Britt, Kobe Fleener. Looking for a Colt, too bad it's not luck. Troy Polamalu, classy. A lot of people seem to throw Kobe Fleener. I was hoping I didn't, but I did. Oh well. The last pack. Okay, shouldn't be too bad to end it. Kellen Davis, Charles Johnson, Steve Preston, Paul Shear, complete players Glossy Von Miller, Brandon Whedon, rookie card, and a Lance Kendricks Glossy. Not too bad stuff. Could be better. Well, pick up this box. Last sport 2012 for you. Get the hell out of here.